Hi, I'm Margaret.
I'm Carin.
And this is
A Pretty Cool Hotel Tour.
We're traveling the country looking for hotels that make us say yes.
Or no.
Or aw.
Or ew.
Or what?
Or gross.
We never know what we're gonna find. But either way, we'll probably say pretty cool. We are on our way to San Luis Obispo to check out the Madonna Inn. When people ask about theme hotels in Southern California, this is honestly the first one I think of because even though it's not your classic theme hotel, it is such a vintage gem. There are themes, but they're just very like pink and sparkly and over the top.
Can't wait to see the god.
We believe in God and we are ready for it. California! Here we come! Ryan, I schmeared it for you. Who's Ryan? Oh, you're Ryan for sure, I'm set.
I'm the bad boy that falls in the pool.
Actually, yeah, you kind of are. Beautiful. Love the pink lampposts.
Michael Scott myself into a lake right now.
Really, you would. Let's check it out. That's us. Wow. A pink sparkly vision. Pink carpet, pink roof, pink glittery walls. I love the bathrooms here. Adorable, detailed little mirrors and sinks. Wow, not bad.
Good place to have a bachelor cry.
I think season 14 of The Bachelor came here, so who knows who's sat in these chairs.
Ooh. It's good. They might squeeze them themselves.
Hi, buddy. I wish I had something for you. Let's see some rooms. Ooh, very pretty. Oh, and the bathroom. Hello. One of the only bathtubs at the Madonna Inn. Fun fact. Hope you brought your hats.
Sorry.
Hope you brought your hats. They seem like they belong. Oh. Very cool. Pop of color. Wonder why they call it the Buffalo Room. My absolute favorite thing here is all these brass flower lights. Like, where do I get one? Wow, Yahoo indeed. Such a extravagant wagon bed. I'm a sucker for a phone by the toilet. Don't ask me why.
Oh my gosh, this is a gigantic fireplace popper.
Holy cow. If this is the style that gets you going, I will judge you quietly. Uh-oh, someone's having a sleepover. I've always been pretty fascinated by the idea of fuzzy walls in a bathroom, but why not? Rock walls, rock shower, rock fireplace, rock on. Pretty obsessed with the wallpaper in this room. Still got the TV in case the boys want to catch the game. I think if you want to feel like a queen, you might want this room. It's a good room. These glitter walls are truly a statement piece. I think that's a wrap on room tours, and I think I am ready to go have a drink. What'd you think?
Rocky.
So rocky. A lot of pink, a lot of sparkles, a lot of florals, and I'm
Ready for a drink?
ready for a drink. I smell a royalty deal. It's so sad that it's like empty, but at the same time kind of nice because then you can get photos and videos.
The ghost of Christmas past.
I think we have a lot to process.
Top 10?
Top 10. Uh-oh, somebody's had a cocktail.
They're gonna cut the cake, everybody.
They're gonna cut the cake!
What do we do? We're so happy. They leave friends and somebody beds.
That was an unexpected bet.
I was not expecting that.
True to lyric.
I can tell by the words.
Shake it up, stir it. We did it.
We did.
If you're on the West Coast, this is what you want to go to when you think of retro kitsch hotel. This inspired me to look into kitschy hotels in the first place. Even if your room is kind of small and doesn't offer that much, the grounds are huge, the gardens are gorgeous, the restaurant is beautiful, the dining room is beautiful, there is so much stained glass, carpeting, wallpaper in so many areas.
Yeah, it's almost like Madonna is its own type of theme.
Right.
And they very much stay true to that theme with all of the rooms that we got to see.
Yes. So in terms of retro hotels on the West Coast, I think this is in one of the top spots for where you absolutely need to stay. It is weird, it's cool, it's old, but I think it's worth checking out. I would suggest come for a night or 2 or 3, maybe try different rooms, play tennis, go to the pool, have a drink at the bar, and just enjoy the weird treasure that this place is. Weird treasures.